Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, I got a bit of a product review. I got, I guess, mixed feelings on it. I haven't really done a whole lot of testing. What it is this Milwaukee Inkzall pins. And I don't know, you probably won't be able to see it, but I went and bought the different colored ones. They had red and blue and green and black in a package for around $5. And I took every one of those out, and it wouldn't even mark on this right here, not even the clean, more ground off surface. And this is what I would normally be marking on, is things, you know, metal, usually oily with cutting fluid, that kind of stuff, metal. And this is, I mean, it says it's supposed to write on dusty, oily surfaces. So anyhow, so I got those failed miserably. They wouldn't even write on a clean, fairly clean surface, I would say. Anyways, and then, so I went back, took them back, thought maybe I just got a bad batch, and I grabbed a black one and these more silver ones, because I thought, hey, you know what, actually I think the silver ones might work better, but they're more expensive. But I decided I'd give it a try. So, you might be able to see down here, the silver ones sort of work on clean stuff. You know, they don't really, but right here, obviously, it's kind of a silver color, so you can't see it, but they just don't leave, if you turn it sideways, it works okay, but if, like you'd normally write, it's not that great. It'll work. I'll probably keep those. These black ones, they're just junk. Turn it sideways, you can kind of see it, but as you can see, a normal way of doing it, if you push real hard and dull the end of it, that's supposed to be a tip, that one's going to go back. These ones I'll probably keep just because they sort of work and they're a different color than what I have. And if I'm careful, I can maybe mark stuff with them. But, so there's the first kind of fail, and I haven't even really started. Here's some stainless. The last ones kind of worked on, see? If you push real hard, they work. There, that one's kind of working now on the stainless. That kind of brought it out. As soon as I start going on the metal, though, for some reason it goes away. I don't know what it is, if there's, you know, something on this surface, but it should mark on stuff. Here's your silver. You're not going to see a whole lot of it on here, but so I just don't, I might take them all back. I'm very not happy. Right there, it shows that right there on the package. Let's see how we do here. That one works okay. So it likes rust. That one's okay. So it likes rusty old metal, maybe. There's your cutting oil. That's what that is here. We'll dab some of that on there. We'll see how it works. Oh, hey, it almost works better. There's going through that. The black kind of fails when you do that. And there, see, the black's not writing anymore. If I turn it sideways, maybe, black kind of fails. You know, the silver actually kind of almost did better through that area. But then it kind of fails out here afterward. It's like, they're very hit and miss on whether or not they're working or not. So you can decide what you want to do. Honestly, I'm just going to take them back because I've had better luck with Sharpies. You know, they don't work very good on oily stuff. Or that's mainly what I bought these for. Is, you know, I might keep the silver ones and take the black one back because it did work on some of the oily stuff. It almost works better on the greasy, oily stuff. So I'll probably keep it for that. But I'll definitely go get a Sharpie for the black because I don't know, just didn't work for me. So I've seen varying results. That's why I bought these, is people were kind of raving on YouTube about them. But I have bought 2 different packages plus the one black one here, and have had not very great success with them. So you can choose for yourself what you want to do. I'm taking it back. Jack all, master none. You all have a good one.